Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings, then just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on keyboard and mouse. From here, click on the mouse option and you will now see the mouse sensitivity setting. You can click on the slider and move it to the right in order to increase sensitivity, and you can swipe it to the left in order to decrease it. You may also set the value for ADS sensitivity multiplier, which will set the value of your sensitivity while you are aiming down your scope. After choosing your desired sensitivity settings, you can go back to your game, and your settings have now been applied, and you will now be able to play your game with this new sensitivity setting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity setting on the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.